Hey everybody, it's Just Lou again. Here we have Galton Box version 3. I needed a version that was small enough that I could pass it around a classroom for the students to examine. I've made 3 versions now, and I don't really consider this making. I got a design off of printables.com and had it made by a company called Xometry. They do one of the many things they do. One of them is selective laser sintering, where they put a powder down, in this case nylon, and then laser bond it to the previous surface and just keep doing that over and over and over again. So what we've got here is a 3D printed version of a tiny Galton box. I'll put my hand down here so you can kind of see. It's about the size of your hand, and it works reasonably well. I don't have enough bearings. I've got 1 millimeter bearings in here right now, and I probably need twice as many to get a really nice pattern, but you get the general idea. It's easy enough to recycle. You just tilt it up, get everything to drain back down, and then you can use it. Pretty neat, all in all. Thank you, Xometry, for making it feasible to do this proof of concept. I may yet convince my wife to let me buy a 3D printer. If not, I can always find friends, and a lot of the schools locally have 3D printers that I could use as well to make these. But great demonstration, central limit theorem, law of large numbers, and one of the favorites that I found for the kids in these classes. Thanks, everybody. Bye.